guys, and welcome to the replay. Hi, how are you guys? Hello, hello, hello. As you're coming in, bottom left-hand side of your mobile device is a share button. I would love it if you click share. Nope. What am I doing here? Hey, Teresa. Hi, Jessica. Hi, Shelly. Hi, Joyce. Hi, Dawn Marie. Hi, Angela. Hi, Johnny. Hi, Teresa. Hi, Shelly. Hi, Mary Beth. Hey, Kat. Hey, girl. Hey. Hi, Jennifer Lee. Hello, hello. Hi, Johnny. Hello, hello, hello. I'm just sharing this real quick. Okay. How's everybody doing? My lips are so chapped. Where is my chapstick? Oh, I thought I had some up here. I think it's downstairs. Lips are crazy chapped, guys. Crazy, crazy chapped. So, hey, Shelly. I can't wait. Tuesday. It's December 17th. Isn't that Monday? Yeah, that's Monday, Teresa. I guess Tuesday, is that when your stand's coming? Hi, Shirley Hess. Hello, hello. As you guys are coming in, bottom left-hand side of your mobile device is a share button. I would love it if you click share. Tonight, we are going to be talking about the December Simply Said Creative Kickstart promo. Yay! Hi, Tracy. Hi, Liana. Oh, I am so excited about this, guys. Hi, Mary Beth. Hello, hello. I am going to be going over everything in detail regarding this promo. I'm so excited. It is amazing. You guys are going to be like freaking out over it. You really are. I'm going to put my website in the comments as well for anybody who's catching the replay. It's such an awesome promo. It really is. So I wanted to take some time to go over it real quick with you guys. This is our December, here we go. Here is our December promo. I'm going to take that please share and subscribe off so that way you guys can see it. Tell me this board is not gorgeous. It is absolutely stunning. It is absolutely amazing. And I wanted to be able to share all of the information with you guys, okay? So let's go on over. Let's come in and let's take a look at this. This is the Simply Said selection. It is an exclusive assortment of products that is going to be only $34.99. They are while supplies last. Hey, Kim Stanton. Hi, Erica Steele. Hi, Dina. Hi, Kim. They are while supplies last, okay? And here's the other cool thing. Hi, Kathy. Hi, Iris. You cannot just message me and say, hey, Jess, can you order this for me? Guess what? I can't. This is a customer-only promo. So even designers can't get their hands on it. We will be getting the transfer as our Club Couture, but we can't get the kit. We have to earn it. So it is such a great deal. You're going to be getting everything you need to make that gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous board. As you can see, it says you are enough. You are going to wind up getting the boutique board, the 10-inch hexagon, and it does have sawtooth hangers on the back, I think they're called. and even like little rubber stoppers. That way if you hang it on the wall, it won't scratch your wall up. Hi, Vicki Hunter. You're going to be getting the You Are Enough, which is a B-size transfer, which is valued at $14.99. You are going to be getting 4 Chalkology paste. The first one you're going to get is the bright white. The next one you're going to be getting, well, the next 3 you're going to be getting are going to be exclusive to this promo. You're not going to be able to get these colors anywhere else. It's going to be a Chartreuse, Mint Condition, and Turquoise Oasis are the 3 colors. And let me tell you, they are stunning. You're also even going to get a Small Squeegee. So it's every single thing you need to be able to make this project. And it starts December 17th, guys. It's going to be starting December 17th at 9 o'clock a.m. Mountain Standard Time, 10 o'clock a.m. Central Time, 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the only way you can get it is by going to my website. That's it. I can't order it for you. So I really, really hope that you take the time on Monday to go ahead and get yourself this board, because guess what? You are enough. We are enough. Everybody deserves to have this project, okay? The chalk paste, I don't know how many ounces are in the paste singles, Iris. I'm going to be honest with you. Hi, Mary. Hi, Julie. Hi, Karen. It is enough to do the project though, Iris. And then you'll obviously have the transfer to go ahead and make more. You just won't have more of the color. I don't know. I mean, I'm not sure. The color that looks like that you're going to need the most of is the white, the bright white chalk paste, but you can purchase that as a 3-ounce, in a 3-ounce container, that we sell right on the website. So let's see if I'm going to try and put up this one more time to see if you can see these colors, just how awesome they are. Tell me this is not awesome. I'm super stoked about this promo. Like I said, it'll begin on December 17th at 9 o'clock a.m. 9 o'clock a.m. Mountain Standard Time, 10 o'clock a.m. Central Standard Time, 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can get it right from my website. My website is in the comments below. It's listed above, like 0.33 ounce maybe. That could be it, Leanna. I'm really not sure. Hi, Nancy Joy. Hi, Charlene. Hi, Caitlin. Hi, Tony. So, guys, I'm crazy excited about this promo. I think this is a fantastic idea that Couture has decided to start this. We don't even get to have our hands on it sooner. Like, we literally found all the details out today about it. Like, we knew it was coming, but we just got all the fine details. So it's crazy cool. We won't even have it to pre-demo on. So you guys are going to get it before us, which is so cool. Like, the customers win in December. That's all I'm going to say. I will tell you that if you do purchase through me, I'm going to be doing an online event with it. If you are not a member of my of my VIP group, you are going to want to make sure that you are in my VIP group. No design, please. When I this, if you want to be in my VIP group, just comment me down below. They will. Just comment me down below. I have so much going on in my VIP group. I have specials, I have promos, I have Chalkbox subscription, I have over 300 Couture project videos. I have a very active VIP group, and I would love for you to be a part of it. Like I said, all you need to do is comment me down below. Please, no designers. Every single time I show my VIP group, I have at least 5 or 6 designers every single day that try to get into it. Please don't try to go into my VIP group. It is for my customers, so that way I can spoil them. Teresa, you can start now. It's just not available until Monday. Wonder if the colors... I don't think they will, Dina, because they didn't say anything about it in our call this morning. They said they're going to be exclusive to this promo. Hi, Holly. Hi, Sandra. Hi, Mandy. Hi, Jamie. Hi, Rebecca. Hi, Nancy Joy. Thanks for joining. Yeah, this is crazy exciting. Now, for the people that are just joining, I'm going to throw this up here one more time. Here is everything that you will get. It's 34. Whoops, let me take this away. It's $34.99. It will be available Monday morning at 9 o'clock Mountain Standard Time right on my website, which is which is right above your at the top of your screen. It's also in the comments down below. Hi, Jessica. How are you? Hi, Jamie. Hi, Mandy. Hi, Sandra. I can't remember if I said hi to all you guys. All right, Jess, I will make sure you get added into my VIP group today. Thank you so much. So this is, like I said, only available while supplies last. So don't wait. If you want to get your hands on it, please don't wait. You will not be able to message any designer and say, hey, can you put this order in for me? We are not allowed to. We have no access to it. You can only get it through our websites. So it is a customer promo, which is absolutely amazing. Here's a little bit of an up-close view, so that way you can see the colors that will be in it. It is bright white, Chartreuse, mint condition, turquoise Oasis. You will get the 10-inch Hexagon boutique board. You will get the You Are Enough B-size transfer, and you're also going to get a small squeegee. So it's an entire kit that you can go right online and purchase and get everything. Yes, Teresa, you can. This is really just such an amazing deal. And then wait till you check out and see just how beautiful this project comes together. Check that out. Isn't it stunning? And like I said, we are enough. This is a great reminder to put up at your desk at work, in your office, in your kitchen, in your living room, in your craft room, to just always remember that you are enough. I love the positive reinforcement behind or the positive message rather behind this transfer. I think it's fantastic, and I'm super, super stoked about this promo. So if you have any questions, please comment below. I will be happy to answer for you. Hi, Kelsey. How are you? I hope that you are all going to run right to my website and join and grab it rather on December the 17th, 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Also, hi, Elizabeth. Hi, Kelly Miller. Hi, Tiff Stacy. If you guys are not in my VIP group, I would love for you to join it. Please, no designers. Hi, Alicia. All you need to do is comment me right down below, and I will message you the link to my VIP group. I have tons of specials, bundle offers, Chalkbox subscription, over 300 Chalk Couture project videos. There's tons of inspiration in there for you. It's a very active group, but it is not for designers. I apologize. So, hi, Denise. I hope you guys are super psyched to get your hands on this awesome promo that will start on Monday. I'm super stoked. I cannot wait for all of you guys to get access to it. One more time, here comes the details, and then I will let you guys go. It's $34.99. You're going to get that awesome Hexagon 10-inch boutique board. You're going to get the You Are Enough B-size transfer. You're going to get 4 chalk paste singles, 3 of which the colors are not available any other way but by getting it through this promo. They are Chartreuse, mint condition, and turquoise Oasis. And you're also going to get a small squeegee. It's going to be every single thing you need to have in order to go ahead and get your project done, and it is at the low price of only $34.99. It's valued at over $40, so it's a $6 savings. It is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So, yes, you can, Teresa. Yeah, Donna, that's awesome. I definitely will absolutely get to you the link to my VIP group for sure. So, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little live regarding the December Simply Said Creative Kickstart promo that begins on Monday, December the 17th. I will be coming back to you in a little bit with my live. I wanted to make sure, or my project, I wanted to make sure I got out all the promo details first. So that way there was just a video about the promo, so that way people wouldn't have to just stay on and do this. So I truly hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're as excited as I am to go ahead and get this project. I wish I could get the project right off the bat. I can't. I got to earn it. But I think I love the fact that our customers get to get their hands on this before even we do. So super cool, super exciting. Way to go, Chalk Couture. This one is amazing. If this is for customers, I would love to join the VIP group. I'm so interested in ordering some of these products. Looks like, oh, Trudy, it absolutely is. Just say me. So that way I see it in the comments down below. It is. It is, the only way that you can get it is by going right to my website. We don't have the access as designers to go ahead and get it at our, purchase it at our designer price. So you can't even get it through a designer. You have to go through the designer's website. I think you will love it. This is everything, Trudy. This is everything you need to go ahead and get started. It's got the squeegee, the 4 paste singles, the boutique board, the size B transfer. It's everything to go ahead and get going. Hi, Lindsay. So, thank you, Vicki. You're so sweet. So, yes, you definitely will, Trudy. Comment me right down below, and I will add you to my VIP group. You'll love it. All right, guys. Catch me back in about 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be back to do my project for the night. I'm thinking I might go downstairs and jazz up some snowflakes on my my front door. I don't know if I should do that. Maybe I should wait until everything is done with the rehab that we're having going down, or renovation stuff going down, because the guys might be coming in and out and whatnot. So I'll think of another project, but I'll be back soon. Thanks for checking out the info about the December promo. I hope you're super excited to get your hands on it. All right, Shruti, you got it. I hope you're as excited as I am, and I will chat with you guys soon. Remember, come on back in about 5 or 10 minutes, and I'll be live again with a project. Bye!